Krishna hears this very romantically charged conversation and says, your husbands will not tolerate this behavior of ours. They will complain bitterly to King Kans and produce a fearful situation for me and also you as well. Gopis, how do they reply to that? Datta abhayam danda bhujam. So Vishnu Chakravarti is taking these phrases and weaving an entire lila, an entire conversation, and spinning from these phrases. Why are they saying? Is there another meaning to danda bhujam rather than just superficial? Oh, your arms are very powerful; they're strong like pillars. All right, that's one meaning. That's an external meaning, and that's true, describing the guna mahima, the glories of Krishna's qualities, or rup mahima, the glories of Krishna's form. But now there's everything about Krishna, and every word about Krishna Lila, especially with the gopis, has different levels of meaning. Because we talk about Krishna Nam, Krishna Rup, Krishna Gun, Krishna Lila. So in Krishna Lila, there is Krishna Nam, Rup, and Guna. In Krishna Nam, there is Rup, Guna, and Lila. In Krishna Guna, there's Nam, Lila. You follow? So they're saying, oh, your arms, that's your Rupam. But when the gopis are describing the Rupam of Krishna's arms, there's also intimating and indicating a Lila in the description of that Rupam. Do you follow the logic? So Vishnath is, and do you know what the Lila is? This is the Lila. And how do I know and how can I share it with you? Because I'm seeing it and I'm right there. This is amazing. That's why they're called Siddhas, and that's why they're called Rasikjan, because they're there in the Lila and they're trying to take us through their tikas and through their merciful commentaries into the Leelas. By reading these commentaries, meditating on these commentaries, and praying to these commentaries, that we too will also experience something of these exchanges. Your husbands aren't going to tolerate this. You're going to call the king. He's going to bring his soldiers. We're going to have a lot of trouble. So, oh, no, we're not afraid of that. You have powerful arms, and they've taken all our fear away. Just as you used your arm to hold up Govardhan Hill, and you protect us. I mean, gopis are lovers of Krishna, but love creates so much logic also. The gopis, although usually they say love is blind. Blind means you can't see, you can't think. And that's also true. You can't see, you can't think. But they haven't lost the power of logic. They say, wait a minute. We're not speaking blindly. We're not just enamored. We're not enamored and captivated by your beautiful danda bhujam, pillar-like, strong, powerful, serpentine arms. But we know that we have good reason to say datta abhayam. We have good reason to say we're fearless. Why do we care about a puny king from Mathura? He's a puny king from Mathura Mandala. When the king of the whole universe, Indra. He's Indra. Indra means the king. He's the king of the entire whole universe. He's the king of all the demigods. And you defeated him not with two arms. We're talking about danda bhujam. We're talking about two arms. We have your two arms will protect us. You only use one arm. That's your weak arm, your left arm. Right arm is stronger than the left arm. With your one arm, left arm, and not even your arm, your pinky. You defeated Indra, who's the king of all kings of all kings of all kings of the whole universe, with your pinky. And I was supposed to be afraid of Abhimanyu. I'm supposed to be afraid of Govardhan Mala. Tatabhayam. Tatam abhayam. Your two arms make us fearless. And then Krishna would say, oh, you're just sentimental. You're just sentimental women. There's no logic. You're crazy about me. You're just totally in love with me. You can't even think straight. Oh, yeah? And then they say this. They say, you protected us from the pride of Indra. Those arms will certainly kill that beast named Kams. Your arms will certainly kill that beast. It means Pashu, animal, beast named Kams. Give it to them, Sakis. He's a beast, no doubt. So then Vishwanath comes out of the Leela and says, in this way, the gopis' Shringar Ras is nourished by a hint of Virya Ras, chivalry. So when you talk about powerful arms, you talk about heroes. You talk about Kshatriyas. They have the characteristic of a Kshatriya, the Lakshanas, powerful arms. So this is Vira Ras, one of the Gona Rasas. So any girl has a boyfriend, she doesn't want a wimp for a boyfriend. She wants some powerful, strong man. This power is one of the opulences. This physical power and wealth and beauty and renunciation and knowledge. These are different bhagyas or sampat, wealth. So there's so many discussions about the Viraras. So here they're Madhurati, they're Sringarati, intimate, wonderful, amorous love for Krishna is being mixed with my boyfriend's tough. He can lift 100 kilos. And so a girl will be proud, my boyfriend's strong. My boyfriend, I'll go anywhere. If anybody comes, boom. I'm fearless when I'm with my boyfriend. So this is hinted at here. It's not hinted, it's very obvious. Viraras.